everyone, so today I'm going to race this obby, which is the Escape the Hotel obby, with my friend Liv here. Her username is ThoroughClaw AJ. AJ stands for Animal Jam. So let's go. I'm gonna say, she's gonna say go. Okay, this is intense, I'm so scared. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. No. I can do this. I can do this. Oh my god, no. I don't know why I'm so scared. God, please help. Oh my, no, it's so close. No, this is alright. Oh my gosh, okay, be careful. I have to be careful and beat these. Yes, I do. What do you do here? Here, thank you. Wait, what? Oh, we got up here. We got up here. Okay. How do you? Oh! This is so intense. I don't like this right now. Where do you go? I go down here. Yes! Liv did it for me. Haha. Where am I am gonna do this. No, I nearly fell. I don't like dying in my blocks for some reason. I hate these jumps. Oh my god, no! What's happening? They're moving. Why are they moving? Oh, they got sent back. Oh no, I died. No, I can do this. No, respawn. I can do this. Oh my gosh, no. No! Why is this game so hard? This is so hard! No, she's gonna win! Okay. Where do we go now? We go down here? Okay, go down here. No, Liv is beating me! No! I'm so bad! How do I do this? Please, I need a booty. Okay, I can do this. I believe in you. Yes! No, she is gonna beat me. I don't like this right now. Please. Oh! Okay, that scared me. I don't know why it scared me. Liv, get back here. Oh. I don't like this right now. I'm losing. You know why I'm losing? Cause I'm so bad. I hate dying also. Well, I'm gonna rage. Ah! No. No, she's on stage 11 already. I can't do this. Well, somehow I can't do this part. Come on, Jenny. No! Not fair. This is not fair. I'm raging. I can't do this. Find the farthest parts and then jump from there. I can do this. Finally, I got it. Thank God. catching up though, but no. I do not like this. No! It's lagging for me. What did I do? I did it. Okay, I can do this. Oh no. She's, oh no, she's already. Oh, come on. What did you do? This is not fair. Yes, I can do this. Hello. Okay. This. I am crying. I can do this. I believe in yourself. Myself. Come on. I can do this. Where do we go next? Okay, we go here. Come on. She's gonna win. She's on level 15. I'm crazy. Oh. She's ahead by 2 stages. I just cannot do this. No! I need to do this or I'm gonna rage so hard! I'm raging. Okay. Just keep on running and then jump whenever you want. It doesn't hurt you. Keep jumping. No! I hate this. I hate this right now. Come on. I need to do this. Come on. I believe in myself. Finally. I've got one. On stage 14. I'm never gonna catch up. What just happened? No. What? I'm so confused. What's happening? I did it, yes. I'm catching up. Go. Here. 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 Yes. No. No! No, I fell down. I fell down. I can do this. Just believe in yourself. And you can do this. No. Yes, I did it. Oh no. I can't do this! Oh my god, that was so... Wait. Where you go now? What? Oh. Oh, I'm taking the elevator. Come on. Be quick! I would rather take the stairs than going on the elevator, to be honest. What is happening? Whoa! What? I guess we come up here. Jump here and we'll keep on going. Catching up to Liv now. Not sure. Okay, yes. We are here. Hopefully I see Liv because I haven't seen Liv for a long time now. We are in the abandoned part of the hotel. This door leads to the room. Is this like, ew, this is disgusting. This is disgusting. I don't like this. Oh no, I died. We are on the same level. And I'm so bad. I don't like this. I have 5 more minutes of recording. 5 more minutes of recording. Hiya! Hiya! Come on, I have to win this. Yo.
1 hour later.
So, when I was gone, Liv took forever to get past that part. And it was like really raging. And she got me. I'll show you. Look. Why? I keep dying. Oh my gosh. He always makes me laugh. No, this party's like. I'm so bad. Sorry for the background. If there's someone talking in the background, okay? Just ignore that, you know. Was that my mom? I hate this. I have to do this. Okay, I have to do this. No. Hiya. No, I'm so bad. I might pause this video because sorry about that. I'm gonna pause it, and then when we get past this, we'll tell you. Hi guys, we're back again because I took a lot of burgers. What is this thing? It's down, and hopefully we win. Wait, what happened? No, I have to die. No, I hate this. This is not fair. I'm gonna come back again. Hi guys, sorry, I'm back and I finally made it to the next level with Liv. And to be honest, I think there might be a part 2 of this because it's nearly 15 minutes of this video. So yeah, if we like finish this or something, I think we're gonna. Obviously, there's only 2 more minutes. So, if we finish this, we won't need to do a part 2. Cause, you know, climbing this wall is actually stressful, you know. I hate this. No. Liv one. No. Let me get there. Guys, I will be back. I will catch up to Liv. I finally catched up to Liv. And sadly, Liv won. Good job, Liv. Good job. Well, Liv's bouncing everywhere. Let's have some fun. And then I'm gonna end this video. Whoa! So, bye guys. This is the end of the video. Bye!